In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Expensify platform efficiently. This guide will walk you through adding expenses, managing those expenses, and maximizing the tools you have at your disposal to streamline your financial organizing process. Let's start with adding expenses, which involves several convenient methods. First, if you want to scan a receipt, it's quite straightforward whether you're on the web or using the mobile app. On the web, simply click the plus icon, select Scan, and then either upload or drag and drop your receipt. If you're on the go and using your mobile, just tap that same plus icon and snap a photo of the receipt right there. It's easy and saves a lot of time, especially if you have a stack of receipts to get through. But scanning isn't the only way to add expenses. If you need to manually enter an expense, say you forgot a receipt or need to itemize, click the plus icon again, choose Manual, and start entering those crucial details. This includes the merchant's name, the date, total amount, and the category it falls under. It's very user-friendly and lets you ensure every expense is accounted for accurately. For those of you who need to track mileage for work or tax purposes, the distance tracker is a handy tool. Here you can enter your start and stop addresses, and Expensify will calculate and keep track of your mileage expenses. Now that you have added your expenses, managing them comes next. Creating reports is an important step, and it's very manageable within Expensify. After your expenses are input, you can organize and submit them through an expense report. When you're generating a report, take the time to add any necessary categories, tags, and comments before submitting. This organization will make reviewing and approving expenses far easier for you and any approvers. New Expensify's chat-based features are a modern twist that allows you to collaborate with teammates. You can discuss and manage expenses right within a conversation. It's quite useful for team projects involving shared expenses, ensuring clarity and reducing back-and-forth communication. When your expense report is ready, the next big step is to submit it for approval. Once submitted, you can monitor its status easily. With Expensify, approved expenses mean you could be reimbursed directly to your bank account, which is a great time saver. Finally, viewing reports is a key part of keeping track of your financial records. In the Reports tab, you have the option to view your expenses sorted by status, such as drafts, outstanding, or paid. You can further filter these by category or merchant, giving you a clear breakdown of where and how your money is spent. With these steps, you'll find the new Expensify platform to be a powerful tool in managing your expenses efficiently and